Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Beth once again. So this is going to be another unboxing. It is not a bag. It is not anything big, but it's really small. It is an accessory. This is just going to be really quick. I didn't expect to actually get this accessory, but when I saw it online, I was thinking to myself, I might have a use for it, but if I don't get it now, I might not have a chance to get it because it might not be available anymore. So I figured just get it and then figure it out later on how to use it. So let's go right ahead into the unboxing of this item. I've been waiting more than a week to unbox this one. I haven't gotten the chance to film, so I just put it aside and just waited. I was dying to see it because I wanted to see it in person, how it actually looks. So at least now I do get the chance to unbox it for you guys already. I ordered this one through my SA, but then they didn't have it. So she looked for one and she was able to find me one. She ordered it from a different store for me. And she also asked the store to send me some samples of the new scent. She knew I liked the new scent from Louis Vuitton, but then I didn't want to buy it because I didn't like how it doesn't last as long as the other ones. So she had them ship some samples for me. So I already opened up the box and here's how the item came. It didn't came with much padding, but here is the receipt. So that's the receipt. And here are the samples that I got. I was surprised they sent me 3 perfumes. The scent is the Le Jour Salive. Really love the scent of this one, but unfortunately it doesn't last that long, so I'm not gonna buy the full size of that item. So here is the box. You can see the box is really tiny. I really love that they actually put a card in there. I don't know why, but for some reason I haven't been getting any of my items with a ribbon, but so I'm so happy it came with the card and the ribbon. So let me see if I can take it out. Oh yeah. It's so tight, so I need to undo the ribbon to see the card has to come out. And then they actually double tied this one. So there it is. So here is the item. It's in a drawstring pouch. It's actually an old pouch. Here, oh, look at that. That looks so beautiful. Look at that upside down LV. Oh, I like that. Wow, I really love that. I love that upside down LV. And also this eyelet here is actually in the same color as the LV here. It's like a coral color, but because it almost looks iridescent, so depending on how the light's reflecting it, it looks a different shade. So this item is the LV Upside Down Illustre Bag Charm and Key Holder. So this is the Upside Down LV, and it's so awesome, you guys, because this is actually made in France, and the hardware is a brass ruthenium hardware. It has the Louis Vuitton on the ring and also Louis Vuitton on this hook in here. And on the opposite side of this ring, it has the date code and then the item number. So the item number is MP1988 and the date code is FJ0138. So this was made the 3rd week of 2018. So that is so amazing that this is made in France. So that is it, you guys. I'm actually contemplating getting another item from the Upside Down Monogram collection. I don't know if I'm too late, so we shall see. This is the Monogram Upside Down Key Holder. I hope you guys liked it. I really love it. It is so cute. I love the coral color. And yeah, that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys on another video soon. Bye.